Hello there! This is Roman from Rhythm OKB. For those of you who missed it, we're the guys who make scanner devices. Do you know what is the most popular question with ACE? What is scanner? Do not worry, we already came up with a comprehensive answer in this video right here. The second question always comes, okay, I got it, so how do I use scanner? For many folks who just learned about scanner therapy, that seemed pretty much complicated. In these short videos, I explain everything and tell you all you need to know if you're a beginner, so you can see that scanner is easy. One of the most basic things in scanner therapy is the treatment energy. It is a very important parameter. Treatment energy is the very first thing you will discover even if you hold scanner device for the first time ever. This function present in all models of scanner devices, from the most advanced professional versions to the simplest home devices. It doesn't matter how old is your device, you will always find it there. You can change the treatment energy by pressing the plus and minus buttons. You can do single pressings, and that will increase the treatment energy by 1 unit, or if you want to speed up a little bit, you can press and hold the button until you reach the desired value. Okay, so what is the deal, you might ask? By changing the treatment energy, you can change the body structures your scanner device is focused on. When the energy is low, which means from energy 1 until the very first sensations of yours, your device influences the autonomous nervous system, which is the driver of your body. Yes, the device works even if you don't sense it. We call it the threshold level of energy. If you increase the energy and you start to feel first small tingling, that means that scanner now is influencing your nerve receptors. Increase the treatment energy to the comfortable level and your scanner will focus on the nervous tracts and fibers of the central nervous system. When you increase the treatment energy even more and make it barely comfortable, the focus of your treatment switches to the soft tissues under the electrode, including the large blood vessels, muscles, and subcutaneous tissues. So, if we put it in a nutshell, the more you increase the treatment energy, the more local is your treatment. You see, using only one basic function, you already can choose which body structure you want to treat. You are tuning your device and focus it on a desired object, just like you focus a camera. Now, you can use that knowledge to get the desired treatment effect. Enough theory. Let's go to some practice. Here's a simple yet effective treatment protocol that is based only on the treatment energy. First of all, assess the size of the complaint area. The time guidelines in this video are given for complaint area about the size of a palm, so keep it in mind when you plan your own treatment session. We start from treating the complaint zone on low treatment energy with minimum sensations for 1-2 minutes. Do you feel anything?
Yep.
Then increase the treatment energy to the comfortable level for you or your patient and treat the complaint area for 5-7 minutes. And finally, increase the treatment energy to the point when it is not comfortable, yet still bearable, and treat the problem area again for 1-2 minutes. Now, you know how to use the treatment energy, and you can use your scanner device more effectively. Try it now, because scanner is easy.